In this ukulele review, baritone, baby, review, we're going to go over the Pono ABD. This is all solid Acacia Deluxe Baritone. All right, we'll just leave it simple right there. I'll do more playing. Don't worry. Welcome to Ukelikethepros. I'm your man. I'm Terry Carter. I appreciate you being here for this review. If you like baritones, ukuleles, reviews, tutorials, challenges, giveaways, this is a spot for you. If you haven't subscribed, no brainer. Subscribe, turn on that bell notification. All right, this is a Pono ABD Deluxe. What does deluxe mean? I'll go over that in this video. But if you like these Pono, we carry this full line of Pono, as well as over 20 other brands of ukuleles. The #1 store, which is store.ukelikethepros.com. But this one is all about the baritone, all right? So we're going to go through this. I'll do some playing, tell you some of the specs, and then if you're digging this video, digging me, digging anything, make sure to leave a comment, smash that like button. All right, you ready? Let's dive in. That's the acacia wood right there. That's that lush sound, but still got that clarity. You can hear it really clearly. Beautiful. If you look at it, you can see the acacia wood. It looks very similar to koa, right? If you do know, acacia, actually koa is in the acacia family. Okay, same families, but just the acacia wood doesn't grow. Well, koa only grows in Hawaii, and the acacia grows other places. But it's very similar in looks. You can see the beautiful, rich, dark colors. You can see the lines on it. All solid acacia. Top, let me get that light out of there. Sides, boom, both sides. And then the back, look at that. Just absolutely gorgeous. Just a really great wood. And a couple of things about not only acacia, but Pono. Incredible, incredible value. Okay, these are made in Java, and the quality of the shop that makes them is unbelievable. John over at Pono Ko'olau has really high standards, but he wants to bring those high standards and keep it at a great price. So I really like Ponos because they kind of cover that gap between about your $400 baritones, which is your Kala, your Ohana, and then you have the Guitarlele baritones, which are getting up closer to the $2,000 range. So these Ponos, the regular Ponos, this one is the deluxe, okay? It's a little bit more special, I'll tell you. Or the Pro Classics, right? Those feel a really nice gap in the baritone. Actually, all of the market. Tenor ukuleles, giant baritones, these baritones as well. So anyway, really, really cool. All right. Just really, really gorgeous sounding. All right. So what else? We got the baritone body. We got the solid mahogany neck here. You got the nice Grover Oper tuners. I like the gold with the black buttons. It looks really sharp. All right. You got the cool head plate here. All right. And then you got the D. Oh, by the way, if I didn't go over it, D, G, B, E, baritone tuning. 1 3/8. Okay, so that's the one thing that some people say, I need 1.5 inches. All right, it is 1 3/8. It feels really nice though to me. It doesn't feel crammed. The strings go pretty far out on the nut, so even though I have big hands and I do like 1.5 inches as well, these actually do fit pretty well. I don't feel a little bit crammed. The neck's really nice and smooth. You got the 20-inch baritone scale lengths on this, and then you got the ebony, which is nice. Ebony on all the Pono stuff, which is really nice. And then boom, if you look inside, can you see that? Truss rod, which is great. Not all ukuleles, everything has truss rods, so it's nice you have that truss rod so you can make a little adjustment. Now, if you get your ukulele from my store.ukelikethepros.com, I always suggest throwing down on the advanced setup. Okay? Let my luthiers have full-time luthiers. That's all they do all day long is work on ukuleles. Let them go through this, make some adjustments, get that string nice and low for you, go through it, polish all the frets, get the nut really nice and smooth. So if you're going to get an instrument like this, something that's quality, it's going to last you a lifetime, go ahead and throw in that advanced setup, and I throw in a hard shell case and make sure to get a humidifier as well. These are just tips for you when you're buying not only this ukulele, but really any ukulele. You should really do that for all of them. All right, let me do a little playing here. Oh, the strings. All right, so normally these come with coil-out strings, but what I did is I threw on, I actually didn't do it, my text did, the Oasis. These are the new Oasis linear baritone strings. So even though these don't come with the Ponos, they come with the coil-out strings. I had this one, so I wanted to do this review, but they're great strings if you want to get these or even change out to this one as well, just so you know. Just being transparent. I think that's the hip word of the day, transparent. And these strings do have wound, which is a smooth wound 4th string and a 3rd string, and then fluorocarbon 1 and 2. All right, just so you know. All right, let me do a little play. Do a little strumming. Haven't done enough strumming on it. Let me do a little strumming. There you go. You got a little finger picking, you got a little single notes, you got a little strumming all in one. So anyway, this is the Pono ABD All-Solid Acacia. Gorgeous wood, gorgeous looking, gorgeous sounding wood. These Ponos are absolutely fantastic. You're going to love them. Great price point, and the quality is off the chart. Right? Store.ukelikethepros.com. If you want to follow us anywhere else, check out our Patreon page, right? If you like lessons, you want baritone, we have courses, we have memberships, ukelikethepros.com. I told you, we take baritone very seriously, all right? So we got fingerstyle courses, we got blues courses, we got beginning courses, we do live Q&As as well. So we got everything covered for you over at ukelikethepros.com. But I'm glad you were here. Thanks for subscribing, being here, listening, make it to the end of the video. I appreciate it, and I appreciate you. So that's going to do it. I'll see you next time.